studying and exams can give you knowledge, but skill and communication will make you a professional.
Yes, completely. So that's very important.
These are two separate identities. So if you are not able to develop yourself as a professional and base your entire standpoint. See, I wrote that every doctor does not necessarily become a good professional.
Yes.
A doctor and professional are two facets of the same person. Similarly, a doctor and a professional are different. You are different as a person and as a professional.
Of course.
So when there is symbiosis between the two, between the professional and the person, you are at peace. But when there is conflict between the two,
very tough.
And one of the easiest examples of how a conflict comes is when people when they use their skill and knowledge for unscrupulous methods. So now there comes the conflict. Those are the people you will see on their face, unke upar likha hua hai. So what I was saying was, though patients have become impatient and jalbazi, the profession, the art of science has not changed.
No, I agree.
Therefore, the challenge is that you should be able to convey and convince your patients that, look, if the root canal is going to take 5 days, bhai sahab, I cannot make it 5 hours.
No.
You pay me 5 times my fees, even then it will not be 5 hours.
Yes.
That's the challenge. Sorry, bhai sahab. Sorry. If you don't agree, don't come to me. But this is my way.
Yes.
Then they settle down. Then they say, ये hard task माफ कर रहे हैं.
नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं ऐसे करेंगे. Binuja?
Yes, sir. Let's start.
Yeah, I think let's start. It's 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Right? So let's start.
So a very good afternoon to everyone. A warm welcome to our MoTV show today. Today we have a beautiful and charming Dr. Gargi Basu Gandhari. She is MDS and specialist in root canal and aesthetic dentistry. She has an experience in both private and government setup. Her area of expertise includes root canal treatment, post-endodontic therapy, aesthetic procedures, so and so. So a warm welcome to our family, Mohave family, ma'am. So we are waiting to hear from you about all treatments, all tooth-related issues and all. So warm welcome, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am, and welcome to Dr. Reval sir also. So over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Binuja, and namaskar and welcome to all of you once again to the Tuesday 4 p.m. talk show. And as usual, we have been trying to always address that issue that affects quality of life. Our aim, to remind all you elders, is to talk beyond diseases. बीमारियों को तो आप हरा चुके हैं, इसलिए इस उम्र में पहुंचे हैं. लेकिन जितनी जिंदगी बाकी बची है, उस जिंदगी को डिग्निटी के साथ और क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ के साथ, उसके साथ बिताएं. ये हमारी कोशिश है कि हम आपको मदद करें हाउ टू स्पेंड योर जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ विद डिग्निटी एंड विद क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. वेल, बहुत पुरानी ये कहावत है कि 32 दफा खाने को चबा दो तो सोना बन जाता है. अब वो कहते तो थे, अब पता नहीं आज तक कितने लोगों ने अपने खाने में सोना बना लिया, पर उसका मैसेज क्या था कि आपको खाना आराम से खाना चाहिए, लेकिन कोई भी काम करने के लिए उस काम के औजार चाहिए. You need tools to do that work. और 32 दफा चबाने के लिए आपको दांत चाहिए. So unless you have good teeth and good gums, आप अपने खाने को सोना नहीं बना सकते. And elders में दांतों की देखभाल सही ना होने की वजह से there are a number of problems that arise, which elders don't realize many a time. Incomplete evacuation of the bowel के लिए जो सारी elders बेचारे परेशान रहते हैं, मुझे लैट्रिन नहीं आ रही, ठीक ना लैट्रिन नहीं आ रही. Many a times उसका जो कारण है, that is because जो चबाने का काम है वो पूरा नहीं होता, and that is why the food digestion is not proper. So to learn about how to look after your teeth and your gums, I'm mentioning gums equal to teeth. याद रखिए, बिल्डिंग की फाउंडेशन जो होती है, बिल्डिंग तभी अच्छी बनती है. तो दांतों का जो फाउंडेशन है वो गम्स है. तो दांत और गम्स की देखभाल के लिए, and Binuja very rightly said, we have a young charming doctor. It's a pleasure and an absolute pleasure for me, double. आपको याद होगा, some weeks ago you had the pleasure of listening to Dr. Rajat Kandhari. Well, he spoke on skin issues. Today we have Gauri Basu Kandhari, who's Dr. Rajat's wife, and she's more like a daughter to me. We are a family friends for the last 40 years. So it gives me double pleasure to welcome my own little girl to speak to our elders about teeth and gums. Welcome, Gauri. The floor is yours. And any language, any sign language, everything is welcome. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, sir, thank you so much. Thank you for a lovely introduction and for having me here. So today I would like to speak about oral health and its importance in elders, also the importance of dental implants and how can we do them in elderly age group. So pehle I would like to start the talk by telling a very small thing. Now that I've been in practice for more than 10 years, I have observed a change, and that change makes me really happy. Now, in the recent past, I have seen that more elderly age group people, like, I would say my patients who are above 60, 65, 70, coming regularly for their dental checkups, which was not there even, say, 5 years or 7 years back. They are more aware, they are more concerned, they come for a regular checkup, वो अपने missing दांत replace कराना चाहते, they want to know about options. So as a dentist, as a doctor, this makes me really happy. Because for me, the most important thing is to save your teeth. Yes. So as I was just saying, जो aging process होती है mouth में और is divided into two types. One is physiologic aging या normal aging जिसे कहते हैं, which has certain problems which are not very severe. So one of the common problems जो हम देखते हैं जिसे कहते हैं xerostomia या dryness of mouth, we come across a lot of patients in this age group who often complain that we are unable to swallow our food, mouth में बहुत dryness है. This can be due to various reasons. One is the normal process of aging. The other thing is medications. Many of these patients are on BP medication, diabetes medication and other things which over time can cause this. Typically इसमें हम देखते हैं dry mouth, dry tongue, cracking on the angle of the mouth. These things can be easily treated and taken care of. Second thing जो हम देखते हैं commonly is minimal enamel wear. That is the outer surface of the teeth wears out little bit with time, with usage. So थोड़ा बहुत chipping, discoloration, these things are common. Now the image on the left side, this one is showing mild gingival attachment loss. This is also common when we see that with age, with time, the gum line recedes. So a little bit of the tooth is exposed. So in such cases, what happens is the patient might get some sensitivity, some discomfort, but again, these are all reversible. They can be corrected. This form of aging is known as physiologic aging, जिसमें we do not see pathological changes. जो दूसरा होता है, sir, can you change the slide? Okay. Now this is known as pathological aging or severe changes. इसमें if you can see on the left side, this is called periodontitis. This happens due to neglect. When we leave our mouth untreated, we do not take care of it. In simple terms, pyria जो हम कहते हैं, like there are deposits, the gums are inflamed, they are red. This is what causes problem. This happens over time when you've not had a cleaning for a long time, when you've not taken care of your teeth. Second is missing teeth, which is again very common. Teeth which are missing need to be replaced. So over time, this will also lead to various problems, which we will further discuss in the next slide. Okay, so I put this picture over here because like a tiger is nothing without his teeth. So I would say that nothing is more important than your natural teeth. You should work very hard and maintain it. However, if you do lose your natural teeth, they need to be replaced. इसके कई reasons हैं. One of the main reasons is bone loss. If you have missing teeth और आप उसको replace नहीं करेंगे, the thing what happens is our jaw bone starts resorbing, and then we get the shriveled appearance, wherein कि जो height or the distance between the nose tip and the chin, it goes down, and then we'll get the aged look, what we often talk about. As you can see on the image, as soon as teeth are lost, there is no proprioception, कोई stimulation नहीं होता है. Slowly over time we start losing the bone and we start, getting what we known as the aging phase. Next slide. Okay, now about the replace. Now that you've lost the teeth, the most important thing is that they need to be replaced. चाहे वो एक दांत हो, multiple teeth हो, or all your teeth, they need to be replaced. One of the simplest and the oldest things which we have for replacement of teeth are complete dentures or partial dentures. These have been there for decades. Now, they used to be made a lot earlier. Over time, they have been phased, there are less and less of these being made. One of the main reasons for this is the misfit or ill-fitting dentures, जो often patient को तंग करता है. I often come across patients who have dentures but वो कभी नहीं पहनते because they're uncomfortable, they're loose, they come out, they can't talk with them, and they don't wear them. So to overcome this, the bridges were introduced. The next slide. Now, a bridge is also replacement of teeth, but it is fixed. Bridge हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब हमारे पास adjacent tooth है. We want to replace 1, 2 or multiple teeth. But the biggest disadvantage of this is we are losing adjacent natural teeth. As you can see in this image, ये एक दांत को replace करने के लिए हमें 2 और दांतों को sacrifice करना होता है. So whether they are healthy, they are diseased, they need to be cut, and then only then can a bridge be placed. The concept behind this is very simple. It's like a bridge with 2 pillars. Until the 2 pillars are strong, a bridge will not last. Now to overcome this, implants were introduced. Next slide. Now dental implants. So dental implants आज के दिन में is considered the gold standard of replacement of teeth. क्योंकि there are many advantages of this. Firstly, what is an implant? An implant is nothing but a simple titanium screw जो आपके bone में place किया जाता है, and after that it is left for 3 months to heal, following which उसके ऊपर crown लग जाता है. Implants can be done for single tooth, multiple teeth, or the entire arch. We can also do implant supported dentures. The advantages are it is fixed, it is directly in the bone, हम कोई adjacent teeth को touch नहीं करते हैं, and the most important thing is it stimulates bone formation. जैसे ही implant place होता है, and if you're healthy, if you're maintaining that area, it will stimulate bone formation. So next slide. This is an implant supported denture. ये बहुत commonly मुझे पूछा जाता है clinic में by a lot of patients. So we get edentulous patients who have no teeth. They want good dentures which will not come out. They are fixed, they stay well. But they are worried कि हमें 28 दांतों के लिए 28 implants लगाने पड़ेंगे. Well, no. We have a solution जो हम कहते हैं all-in-4 या all-in-6, जो एक principle है जिसमें हम 4 या 6 implants के ऊपर आपको full arch fixed denture दे सकते हैं. इसका एडवांटेज ये है कि एक लेस इन्वेसिव सर्जरी है. देयर आर ओनली 4 implants and you're getting a denture which is fixed, which will greatly enhance the stability and the functionality of the denture. Next. So, however, there are few things जो implant करने से पहले हमें consider करना होता है. There are few medical conditions which are contraindicated, like uncontrolled severe diabetes, where the sugar is just not being controlled. In such cases, healing gets affected. So when we do the surgery, Following that, the healing is affected, so we do not advise in such cases. Malignant abnormal hypertension, where we cannot control the BP with medication, in such cases, then patients who are on bisphosphonates, and also in some cases of say oral cancer, जहाँ पे head and neck radiation दिया गया patient को, in such cases उनकी bone बहुत weak होती है. Except for these few cases, implants can be done in almost all patients who are relatively healthy, have a good oral hygiene. The second most important thing implant के लिए जो हमें ज़रूरत होती है, bone. अगर आपकी bone की quality, strength और height ठीक है, then there is no problem in doing an implant. Third thing which I feel is very important is the patient's oral hygiene. We can place the implants, we can give you the crowns, we can give you the dentures, but if you do not maintain, they will not last. So if your overall oral health is good, you're maintaining it, cleaning it well, getting your cleaning done, then implants will last you a lifetime. Lastly is the financial concern. So I always like to say that yes, it is not a very cheap treatment, but dentistry is not expensive. It is neglect that is important. It is neglect that is expensive. So yes, you do have to spend a bit to get the implants done, but it is also something for the rest of your life. It will affect your quality of life in a great way. So yes, this is something that should be considered. The next slide. So as I was saying, implants are done in 3 steps. In the first sitting, we take out the infected tooth, or if there is no tooth, then what we do is we straight away place the implant. On the left side is an image जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, the first extraction किया गया है, उसके बाद the implant placement is done. अगर already there is no tooth, we straight away go with the implant placement. After that, we leave it for 3 months. Now this is very important. काफी patient में से पूछते कि 3 महीने क्यों हम wait करें बिना दांत के? Well, the body needs 3 months to heal. Body needs to form bone around the implant to stabilize it. जब तक वो stable नहीं होगा, उसके ऊपर हम crown लगा देंगे, implant will become unstable. So in 3 months, once the healing is done, we do the next stage, जहाँ पे हम एक छोटा सा metal का unit लगाते हैं, जिसे हम abutment कहते हैं, following which the crown is given. Once the crown is placed, it is fixed and it is for lifetime. There is not going to be any issue as long as it is maintained well. Next slide. Now the advantages, as I have just mentioned, they are fixed. No, आपके कोई भी natural teeth are not touched. It is very beneficial for the underlying bone. Once the implant is in place, it is stable and healed, और उसके ऊपर crown लग जाता है, and you continue with your day-to-day life, eating, chewing. It promotes bone formation. Aesthetics, appearance-wise, it is very good क्योंकि ये directly gums के ऊपर the implant is placed, so it looks very natural. It is easy to maintain because they are fixed, they are not ill-fitting, they are not moving. It is easy to maintain and brush, and of course functionality, you can eat whatever you like to and you can lead an absolutely normal life with this. So next slide. So I would just like to say that prevent dental problems, keep smiling, and so yeah, these were my small inputs.
Well, thank you, Gargi. Now, what is important is you mentioned, I think there are a lot of apprehensions that people have in mind.
Yes.
I want to first draw your attention toward gums.
Yes.
Gums की जो बीमारियां हैं, gums की जो diseases हैं, are they alone responsible for teeth falling off? Or teeth get infected and then the gums get infected?
So yes, as you rightly pointed out, gums are very important. So as I like to say that gums are like our teeth are like trees and the gum is the soil. So if your gums are not healthy, आप उसका care नहीं ले रहे हो, there is recession, there is looseness in the gums, your teeth will get weak. They will get mobile. So there are 2 things. The one, जो आप कह रहे थे, infection in the teeth, that can be through cavities or caries or decay. And the second is gum disease, which can also be there without any cavities. There are innumerable patients who have no cavities, no caries, but very poor gum health. So both are equally important, and yes, gums play a very vital role in your oral health.
What is this mystery about दांत में कीड़ा लग गया? Where is the कीड़ा? I don't know how many of you here must have heard this. कि जी वो उसके दांत में दर्द था, तो एक आदमी ने प्याज जला के उसका मुंह खोला, अंदर से कीड़ा गिर गया और दांत ठीक हो गया. I have never seen a कीड़ा fall out of the tooth. But what is this about दांत में कीड़ा लग गया? What is कीड़ा?
Sir, कीड़ा. So, sir, कीड़ा is dental caries or decay जिसे हम कहते हैं. So we call it कीड़ा क्योंकि वहाँ पे उसमें there are microorganisms. So in common term, in layman terms, उसको कीड़ा बोलते हैं. It's basically the oral bacteria. So what happens is our mouth as such has a lot of microflora. There's a lot of bacteria in our mouth as such. Now various factors are there. जैसे when we take in sugars, when we take in any diet जिसमें मीठा ज़्यादा है, that forms an acid which along with the bacteria in our mouth causes the cavity. What is a cavity? A cavity is nothing but like a hole or a defect in the tooth. That is because of the bacteria and our diet. The acid and the bacteria have worked together and they cause the cavity. So that in layman term, people call it कीड़ा लग गया जी, दांत में सड़ गए हैं दांत.
How does it become black?
So that is the
because that black color is what people attribute to the कीड़ा. So how does the कीड़ा? Why doesn't the कीड़ा on my hand become black?
So because this is the tooth, there's saliva, there is bacteria, there's Streptococcus mutans, there's bacteria which has caused decay. So the enamel जो है हमारा sir, the enamel becomes soft. So all the calcified portion, like the minerals which were there, are eaten away by the bacteria. So जो organic content होता है तो दांत का the blood, nerve, etc. That is what gets discolored, and we see what we first spot is we spot that discoloration, that black spot, which everyone sees and thinks ki, okay, now I've got a decay.
Now that's important. A message to all of you: there is nothing called a कीड़ा inside. It is not कि कीड़ा निकाल देना है. The tooth has got damaged. वहाँ पे गड्ढा हो गया है. That has got a cavity there. Now, when we come to hygiene, there are so many myths about hygiene. Here, somebody just asked me, "वो फिटकरी के gargles." Now, oral hygiene. आप सबने इस दफा during this pandemic सुना कि you need 20 seconds of washing with soap. 20 seconds to wash off the virus from your hands. And why soap? Why soap? Why not any other thing? Because the virus has a fat layer around it. आपने अगर खूब सारा आलू पूरी खाए हो और आपके हाथ में खूब सारा कचौड़ी का भी तेल लग गया है, उसको भी धोने के लिए 20 सेकंड आपको साबुन से हाथ धोएंगे तो all that oil goes away. Similarly, Dr. Gargi, what is it that gives us hygiene? Hygiene हम मुंह में क्यों करते हैं कि जो damaging bacteria है, they should die.
Yes.
So how do we? What is required to kill the bacteria? Are these lovely, smelling toothpastes and lovely flavored toothpaste? Are they enough to kill the bacteria, or is that just fashion? And what actually kills the bacteria in our mouth?
So there are two aspects to this. The oral hygiene is basically, so it is the cornerstone of oral health for maintenance, home care, how you are maintaining your teeth at home. So uske liye the most important thing is, I cannot stress more on this, is brushing twice a day, morning and night. In fact, brushing in the night is even more important क्योंकि हम उसके बाद we are sleeping for 7, 8, 9 hours. That is the time when the saliva flow in our mouth goes down, our mouth is drier. Whatever food or anything if we sleep with, that is the time when cavities form the most. So cleaning your mouth, brushing, rinsing well at night is very, very important. Secondly, more than the type of toothpaste that you're using,
Any toothpaste?
Sir, so if you have no problem, you have no sensitivity, no gum bleeding, nothing, then any standard good toothpaste is fine. Even a normal Colgate, any of the toothpaste are good. I prefer the white toothpaste. I do not like using gels. Usme there is sugar content, so I generally don't advise that. So, of course, if you have sensitivity, then there are specific toothpaste for sensitive teeth. If you have gum issues, then there are specific toothpaste. But if you do not, then any standard toothpaste is good. No company is better than the other. What is more important than the toothpaste is the brushing technique and the brushing time and the type of brush you are using. ये तीन चीजें बहुत जरूरी है. I see a lot of patients, especially in our country, जो दांतों को बहुत रगड़ते हैं. We feel कि बहुत जोर जोर से ब्रश करेंगे तो हमारे दांत बहुत साफ होंगे. नहीं, ये मिसकंसेप्शन है. इससे आप क्या करते हो, अपनी एनामल को वेयर ऑफ करते हो और आपको सेंसिटिविटी होती है, वहां पे टूथ लॉस होता है. You need to brush gently and ideally, which I don't think any of us do, for 2 minutes with a soft toothbrush. Hard toothbrush is not supposed to be used on our teeth. A soft toothbrush with round or vertical strokes for 2 minutes twice a day is good enough. You do not need to use more than that. However, it is a good idea to use a mouthwash. Mouthwash always helps. Mouthwash are antiseptic in nature. It takes care of the bacteria in your mouth. But I would still say सबसे ज़रूरी brushing है. If you forget to use a mouthwash one day, nothing will happen. But you cannot forget brushing your teeth. So that is very important.
What you're saying, mouthwash twice a day. But if somebody does a mouthwash 4 times a day, so be it.
Absolutely, sir. Mouthwash. In fact, I don't even say that you need to use a mouthwash every day. You don't. No. What I advise is you need to brush twice a day. That is more important for me. Unless you have specific problems, like you come to me with a bad breath or halitosis, then I will write. You come to me with gum infection, then I will tell you to use a specific mouthwash.
Otherwise, mouthwash is not, just a gargle is more than enough.
Yes, a good gargle, basically a good brushing and gargle after that. Supposingly for some reason आप travel कर रहे हो, brush नहीं कर पा रहे हो, थोड़ी देर में करोगे, then you can use a mouthwash.
And what about the traditional datun?
Sir, so datun is basically neem stick. So what it does is, datun is rough and hard. तो वो mechanically दांतों को घिस देता है और साफ करता है. No, I would not recommend. Because there is no standardization. आप कोई भी branch तोड़ के दांतों में चबा के, I cannot, you will not know how good or bad it is. It is better to use it.
I would like to. I think what Dr. Gargi has said is important. Please understand one thing. Gargles, जो दातुन और शुगर केन का जूस इन जॉन्डिस, देखिए ये बातें ये तब इस्तेमाल होता था when the alternates were not available.
Yes.
See, it's very important. Today you take datun from a tree, you may be introducing more bacteria and pesticides inside you than what you're going to be good for. तो आपको जो फायदा होना है, that will not be useful. पर एक हमारा एक ट्रेडिशन है, नहीं मैं तो ना वो दातुन मेरे दादाजी करते थे तो उनके दांत सारे के सारे रहते थे. उनसे मैं हमेशा पूछता हूँ आपको दादाजी मीठा कितना खाते थे? And then they slowly say 20 साल से मीठा छोड़ रखा था. It was the stopping of sugar which helped his good teeth, not the datun.
Sir, so I would like to add one more thing here. As the time is passing and as we see younger and younger patients, unfortunately the oral health is becoming worse because our sugar intake has gone up, hamari processed food has gone up, our diet has changed drastically. So it is not getting better. Our grandparents, great grandparents actually had better teeth or better gum health than us because of their diet, and they would take more fibrous food, more healthy diet as compared to what youngsters or children nowadays take. So this is something which I've observed with time in my practice also.
Gargi, you'll be just keep your one eye on the chat box.
Yes.
We are getting questions. Mr. Subhash says, what do you think of mouthwash? I think you've answered that already.
Yes.
Renuji is asking what time and ways of brushing. So the ways you have said for 2 minutes with a soft brush, and
Yes.
time this would you say कि ये समय ठीक रहता है or any time of the day for a brush?
Sir, time is what I insist is आप रात को जरूर brush कीजिए. Before you go to bed, after all your meals, please brush. And once you brush, please avoid eating anything. After that. Yes.
And do mouthwashes also have sugar? I'm not sure. Sugar?
So they have some sugar substitutes to make it a little palatable and pleasant. Yes.
Now, Mr. Puri's question is very important. In case that I was coming to that, Mr. Puri, thank you for your question. You see, many a times, Mr. Puri's question is, in case one tooth is missing, should that gap affect the adjoining teeth?
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yes. I like you to mention, expand on this.
Yes.
Because very common elders क्या करते हैं, अभी तो एक ही दांत खराब हुआ है, बाकी देखा जाएगा. Now, Gargi, if one tooth is missing, how does it affect the neighboring teeth?
Yes. So, sir, whether, as I had said, whether it is one tooth or multiple, they need to be replaced for the simple reason, हमारे दांत, they are held against each other. Our teeth our upper and lower teeth are antagonistic, they hold each other, our adjacent teeth hold each other. The moment there is a gap, natural teeth have a tendency to migrate and tilt. Over time, what we see is एक दांत missing हो गया, कई सालों से उसको replace नहीं कराया. They come say after 5 years or even 10 years. So what happens is if it is a lower molar which is missing, invariably we'll see the upper molar coming down and the lower adjacent teeth tilting in. And what is worse is after a certain point, if the tilting is too much, there's nothing much we can do because that gap has sort of closed. Then the treatment becomes much more complicated. Then we start looking at long span bridges to straighten out the teeth. So yes, it is very important and it does affect the.
Puri ji, once and आप सब अपने आप का याद करिए, in case आपके कोई दांत missing है, बहुत आसान तरीका है पता करने का कि आपको नुकसान हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. खाते वक्त या ना खाते वक्त भी अगर आप कुछ चबा रहे हैं या पानी पी रहे हैं, if your tongue gets bitten very often, अगर आपकी जीभ कट रही है, just a little bit also, it is because that खाली space में वो जीभ जाके गिर रही है, because after all the tongue is a muscle.
Yes.
And empty spaces में वो जीभ आ जाएगी and the tongue gets bitten. So if you're getting very often a tongue bite, please go and see the dentist. It is your दांत which is troubling you. लोग आके कहते हैं जी मैंने गर्म चीज खा ली, मेरे को छाला पड़ गया, मैंने तंदूर में बैठ गया छाला पड़ गया, मैंने एक बैंगन खा लिया मेरे को छाला पड़ गया. It is not गर्म खाना. It is bad teeth. And जो डॉक्टर गार्गी ने बताया कि एक दांत मिसिंग हो तो साइड के दांत ऐसे हो जाएंगे, एंड इसीलिए वो दांत जबान आपकी ज्यादा कटेगी. तो रिमेंबर, गेटिंग अ बिटन टंग मीन्स आपके डेंटेशन खराब हो रहा है, क्योंकि डेंटेशन का एक एंगल होता है. All the teeth are in a particular angle. So if they fall, the angle goes kharab and you will get bite. Your tongue will get bitten. Neeluji, despite brushing 2 times, I feel my teeth are not clean. I don't think Dr. Gargi is going to tell you to put Narolac on your teeth.
No.
Or get your... What would you advise, Neeluji? Yes, Neeluji.
I feel that my mouth is not clean. I feel dirty sometimes.
You feel dirty. That's...
Yes.
Dr. Gargi feels dirty.
Yes. So I would say, see, if you still feel after cleaning twice कि आपका mouth अभी भी clean नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत गंदा है.
I don't feel fresh. Yeah.
So there are few things. एक तो as Kiran ji has asked me also, after how many days we should change our toothbrush. So ma'am, make sure कि you change your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. अगर आपके bristles ऐसे fray हो गए हैं and they are not straight and they are like this, that means your brush is useless. So every 2 to 3 months it needs to be changed. Maybe your brushing technique is not correct. So make sure that the technique is correct. And thirdly, if you still feel that it's not clean, a mouthwash always helps. And also I would like to tell here कि जैसे कि oral, जैसे कि home care is important, similarly a cleaning once in 6 months by a dentist is equally important. It is not just for maintenance, also it is a good checkup. The dentist will check your teeth. Even if there's a small thing, it can be fixed before it becomes something bad. So, you can visit a dentist, take another opinion, but try using a mouthwash also.
No, and another thing, Neeluji, I'd like to add to what Dr. Gargi is saying. आपका जो शिकायत है, that is very, very important. You said you don't feel fresh in the mouth. Now, do you get bad breath, number one?
Perhaps not.
No. So
No.
sometimes...
Only feel good.
Sometimes the inflammation in the gums, in the pockets, you get pus pockets in the teeth.
Yes.
So that can give you a constant, a poor taste in your mouth.
Constant. This is the word I wanted to use. Constant.
So ma'am, for that, yes, you should visit your dentist.
You need to see छोटी-छोटी pockets of pus बन जाती है जो दांत का और gums के बीच में. So वो जो food decay होता है, that gives a bad taste in the mouth without bad smell. So you please get your gums checked. There may be. Shashi ji, your question?
And also, if I may add one more thing, if possible, after brushing, if you still feel कि नहीं थोड़ा सा the bad taste is coming, but there is no infection, nothing, flossing is another very good thing. अगर आप floss कर सकते हैं, it's the gold standard. I know it's not easy, but now in the market you get floss holders which are very easy to hold, and even with after brushing, sometimes there are food particles stuck.
That's right.
So yes, flossing is something you can definitely consider.
Vaji, she has answered your question about flossing.
Yeah. Can I ask now?
No,
Yes.
sir, I had asked water flossing.
Yes, water flossing is also known as water pick, which is very easy to use. Usko you just have to hold. It is available everywhere, and you put it on, and there's a jet of water जो आपके दांत के बीच में जाके clean करता है. It was introduced because flossing per se is difficult. It's not, everyone cannot master it very well. So water floss is very good to use. Only thing which you have to keep in mind, जब आप water flossing कर रहे होंगे, don't do it for too long because the water jet can also cause some gum injury. So just do it for a few seconds in between all your teeth, and it's very good to use.
Can I ask one question?
And can I ask?
Yes,
Yes.
Shashi. एक मिनट Shashi जी पहले.
I just wanted to find out why do gums become suddenly so sensitive that one fine day you realize that nothing hot or cold you can eat, One fine day, it is so sudden, it was like a shock.
So, ma'am, gums नहीं sensitive होते. It is your teeth which have become sensitive. So, this happens because our gum line, something known as gingival recession, जो gums होते हैं वो recede कर जाते हैं. They go down. So your teeth are exposed. जो roots जो होती है दांतों की वो जब expose हो जाती है, and you're eating, drinking, anything, it directly hits on that and it causes the sensitivity.
Okay.
Second reason to make
So when you're free, then we can have a call with them.
What is important? Yes, Ranjana ji.
Let her answer my question, Dr.
Yes.
Pariwal.
Okay.
that. And the second thing I wanted to say, the brushing. especially in the elderly age group, I see बहुत aggressive brushing, which causes the enamel loss. जो people don't get the fillings done, and those are very common causes of sensitivity. So you need to get those fillings done. Use the correct technique. Use a soft toothbrush and use a desensitizing toothpaste.
देखिए शशि जी, what is important for everybody, please understand.
Okay.
तो ठंडा पानी या गर्म पानी जब लगता है तो जो दांतों की जो तार है, sensitivity of the tooth is based on the nerves.
Okay.
Nerves enter the tooth covered by the gum. तो अगर आपका गम पीछे हो जाएगा तो नर्व नेकेड हो जाएगी, इसलिए आपको सेंसिटिविटी होगा.
Which is the best toothpaste, ma'am, for this?
So what I like to prescribe is Sensodyne Repair and Protect.
The toothpaste I sell is the best.
Dr. Grewal's desensitizing toothpaste.
Doctor, I have one question. Please. Can I ask? You see, sometimes this toothache starts middle of the night. You know, that dentist is also not available. What do you think is instant cure? You know, for till I go to the dentist next day.
But
what should I do?
Why should your tooth start paining at night? How does the pain come to know कि ये रात है कि दिन?
नहीं. कभी-कभार I'm talking about कभी-कभार.
सर उसका reason है क्योंकि I'll tell you. That means ma'am, अगर आपको रात को if you get toothache in one area or generally.
No, just in one tooth, particular tooth.
That means there is some infection over there. Okay, when we lie down, like when we are lying down, this pain can go up because the pressure increases. The space is very small. If there is any infection, any inflammation वहाँ पे है, जो inflammatory exudate होता है, जो वहाँ बनता है, it has no space to come out. And so when you lie down, that pain will increase in the night. So what you have to do is you have to consult your dentist and get it fixed because.
No, that will be next day. You know, that is the problem. Is that dentist I can go to next day only. You know, the whole night what to do?
Take a painkiller. Take a good painkiller. There is nothing. See, some people put clove and things like that.
That I heard. That clove oil.
Clove oil is an obtundant, जो उसको numb कर देता है उस area को. Better than that, take a good painkiller and then go to your dentist.
Okay.
Yes,
thank you so much. Yeah, thanks.
Just now we were talking about that if one in my both the sides, one tooth is missing, and I often get cut in my tongue. So I consulted doctor. Doctor said even if it is one, you should get it done.
Yes.
Then COVID started. So my children they don't allow, but it has become absolutely a daily basis. I cut this tongue. So I just want to know if I am to go for this. So how long it will take? More than one day or?
Ma'am, yes. देखिए ma'am, अगर if you want replacement, so definitely more than one day. चाहे आप कुछ भी कराएं, चाहे you get a simple छोटा सा partial denture, or you get a bridge, or you decide
fix. I want to because only two, this side one and this side one.
Ma'am, अगर fixed में either आप bridge कराएंगे, so it will take about 4 to 5 days, or within a week a bridge can be done. But अगर आप implant कराएंगे, तो as I mentioned in my slides, first day पे implant place होता है, उसके बाद 3 months we do not do anything. So after 3 months your crowns will be put. So it will definitely take more than one day.
Actually, children don't allow us to go out. That is the main problem.
Actually, now
they get hurt so badly sometimes. It takes time to heal that.
Yes.
Have you got your vaccine?
Yeah, I got my vaccine.
Then you can go.
Dr. Grewal, can I ask one question? I'm not being satisfied with her answer. One thing is, ma'am, you said when the gums recede, the sensitivity occurs. So if I go to a dentist, how will he solve my problem? How will he pull my...
Okay. Ma'am, देखिए, gum recession to a certain extent is age related, ठीक है? But that should not be the cause of sensitivity. Sensitivity happens when our gums have receded due to other reasons, ठीक है? So when you go to a dentist, there are various gum treatments जो available है. The simplest and the basic thing जो वो करेंगे कि आपकी पहले cleaning करेंगे. उससे जो gums में inflammation है, that will settle down. Once that settles down, he or she will check कि कितना recession है. उसके बाद various treatments are there, जैसे flaps होती है, gum surgeries होती है, grafts होती है. Those can be done to raise the level of the gum. But what you can do to prevent worsening is maintaining it, getting your regular scaling done, and oral home care and everything.
And Shashiji, the question what Dr. Gargi is saying, remember, अगर आपके दांतों में या gums में infection है, infection can also cause sensitivity, Dr. Gargi.
Yes, but she has sensitivity in all her teeth, so it's unlikely that it is infection. It is a gum related. Generally, like someone else had said कि रात को मुझे दर्द होता है in a single tooth, so that indicates some dental infection.
Now, important question I wanted to ask. You also mentioned about the finances of a implant.
Yes.
A normal implant would cost anywhere between 15 to 25,000.
Yes, sir. Easily. Yes.
Now, remember, as
very expensive.
I like
to 25,000.
Yes, but I like that line she says. I have got, I think about 10 years ago, I went to one of our friend's son who was a dentist, and he looks at my torch in my mouth and says, "Uncle, बहुत बुरा हाल है. यहाँ तो तूफान आया हुआ है." So I said, ऐसा क्या हो गया? I said, मैं खा रहा हूँ यार, ये एक दांत में दर्द है.
आपने ना ठंडे पी लिया.
He said, no. And that's the day I realized. He says, your teeth are getting bad because one is spoiling the other. So he had 2 extractions. I got 4 implants. I got a crown. And I tell you, believe it, it's been a beautiful life of chewing since that time.
So that is what
I am again and again saying, हम जब बात करते हैं तो हम quality of life की बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
If you are getting an implant, you're not getting it for beauty or for fashion. The quality of life of your eating. Because let me tell you on a personal note, मेरा खाना खाने से डर लगना शुरू हो गया था. That अब मैं खाऊंगा दर्द होगा, खाऊंगा तो चबाया नहीं जाएगा. It affects quality of life. So, and as Gargi has said just now, we are noticing, and I want to encourage all elders, this is the time to spend on yourself. ये लाइन जब कोई एल्डर मुझे कहता है ना कि मेरा फलाना बच्चा है, मैं पोते के बर्थडे पे 10,000 रुपया दे रहा हूँ, तो मैं उनसे लड़ना शुरू कर देता हूँ. I have 3 grandchildren. I never give them birthday gifts. I said, you damn well take my blessing and that is enough. Rest of my money is my money.
Correct. Very true. Very true.
My money is my money. So it should be your life. You spend every penny on yourself. Yeah. I encourage all elders, if any elder comes to me in my clinic also and says, yesterday I had a 76-year-old gentleman who came and his wife says, कि हमने बाहर जाना है, इनको खांसी है. I said, and he's got, sleep apnea है. तो उनको रात को सांस नहीं आ रहा. So I said, you please buy a BiPAP machine. So he says, कितने की आती है? मैंने कहा, it costs around 40,000. So he looks at his wife and says, why that we have to ask his son's name. I said, you dare ask him. I rang up his son in front of him. I said, they are going to buy a machine and you will not stop them. Uncle, मैंने तो नहीं बोला कुछ. मैंने कहा नहीं, तेरे से डर रहे हैं. Not that they don't have money, but एक thought process है कि हमने अपने आप पे नहीं खर्चना. अब तो हम भगवान के लोग हो गए. अरे भगवान कह रहा है कि मजे लो यार. So please remember, Gargi said a very important line. The cost of neglect of your tooth is much higher. Let me tell you, the correlation between dental infections and knee pain. आप हैरान होगे सुन के. There are many elders जिनको घुटनों में दर्द रहता है, and we tell them कि go and please look up the dentist. I had a person tell me one day कि डॉक्टर साहब दिमाग खराब हो गया, मैं घुटने के दर्द से आ रहा हूँ, आप कह रहे हो दांत निकाल दो. There is a strong relationship between chronic tooth infection and arthritis in the knee. Because the tooth, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I was saying, so there are a lot of patients who all, I've heard them say, for a single tooth, it's going to cost this much. So I always tell them that, a dental implant is like an investment. You are investing in for the next 15, 20, 25 years of your life. Yes, right now it does sound like it is a lot of money, but as you very well said that, your quality of life, your chewing, your eating, everything changes. There are people who have stopped eating, they mash their food in the mixie, they've lost weight, they are undernourished, they are depressed. I come across patients who are completely depressed, who say that we've forgotten how to smile because we are unhappy. And yes, and this is
ladies वो हंसती हैं तो ऐसे, मैंने कहा ये क्यों रख रहे हो? मेरे दांत टूटे हुए. मैं कहा शर्म आती है तो टूटे हुए दांत के साथ हंसो.
So, and this is from all age group, from younger to older. So that's why I always say कि the earlier you address the problem, the better it is.
That's
that is why
Absolutely.
That is important.
Right.
And Mr. Siddiqui,
I want to ask.
Manjuji, just 1 minute. Mr. Siddiqui's question was, Gargi, that any ointment lotion for emergency. I think you've answered that question. A tablet, pain relieving tablet is more important.
Yes.
And periodicity of teeth scaling. How often do you do teeth scaling?
Yes. So again, another question. So by the book, by the literature, if we go every 6 months, and this notion, जो a lot of people tell me कि हर 6 महीने में सफाई कराएंगे तो दांत लूज हो जाएंगे. Well, that is exactly opposite of what happens. If you get your scaling, cleaning done every 6 months, your gums are healthier. There's no inflammation. They are well adapted, and आपके दांत मजबूत होंगे. And जो आपका छोटा सा cavity है वो dentist भर देगा before it becomes a root canal and you come after 6 months.
That's
So, our cleaning is not just a cleaning appointment, it is also like a general checkup appointment. Which
yes,
is important.
Manju ji, पूछिए.
हाँ डॉक्टर, मेरा क्वेश्चन है, हाउ टू डिसाइड कि कौन से डॉक्टर के पास जाएं? मेरे पास 3-4 डॉक्टर हैं, तो मैं बड़ा कंफ्यूज होती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे इम्प्लांट कराना पड़ेगा. मेरे को ब्रिज लगा हुआ था, ब्रिज निकल गया है, तो डॉक्टर ने देख के बताया है कि अंदर सब खत्म हो चुका है. तो मैं बड़ा कंफ्यूजन में हूँ, कौन से डॉक्टर के पास जाऊँ मैं?
उसका जवाब दूं मैं?
उसका जवाब आप ही दे सकते हैं.
एक कटोरी में 4 स्लिप डालिए उनके नाम. एक स्लिप उठाइए, जिसका स्लिप आ गया उसके पास जाइए.
कॉस्ट भी सब अलग अलग बताते हैं, कोई 45,000 बताता है, कोई 55 बताता है.
मैम एक्चुअली ये दिस इज आल्सो अनदर प्रॉब्लम. कॉस्टिंग बहुत वेरी कर जाती है क्योंकि द इम्प्लांट मार्केट इज ह्यूज. वी हैव इम्प्लांट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. So yes, depending on the company, the type of implant, क्या processes लग रहा है, the costing changes. So what is very important before doing any implant is the planning. Sit with your doctor, do the planning, decide, and then take a call. Cost is one factor.
Dr. Gargi, what is opinion on oil pulling? What is oil pulling?
Okay, so oil pulling is something which was quite trending बीच में, where people would take virgin coconut oil, वो mouth में लेके and gargle with that. Now, yes, so there is some Ayurvedic concept behind that. I don't have the knowledge of that. No. So what I don't know, I will not advise that.
In fact, I dissuade you from doing it.
Yes,
and
so
Dr.
I never.
I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question, Dr. Gargi Basu.
Yes.
बोलिए sir.
Can I speak, sir?
बोलिए sir, please go ahead.
Dr. Gargi Basu, this question is directly to you. I am a CKD patient, and I have lost about 4 to 5 tooths, and I just wanted to know whether implant is applicable to in my case. because my hemoglobin is 11.7 approximately, and I have a severe hypertensive patient, and also I'm going dialysis also. So I just wanted your valuable advice whether implant is suitable for our type of patients, especially for me as a CKD.
Good. First, before Dr. Gargi answers, I must congratulate you for thinking that you should be getting an implant.
Yes.
Very nice. Very good. Yes, Gargi, your reply.
Yes. So firstly, for CKD, that is chronic kidney disease, that is not a contraindication for implants. Secondly, the good part is आपकी hemoglobin level is fine. What is concerning is the hypertension. During the surgery, we need to control the hypertension. So the BP should be in normal range for the surgical part. But yes, if your BP can be controlled, it is within the normal range, your hemoglobin levels seem fine, then there is no reason why implants cannot be done. They can be done.
They can be.
Yes, yes.
I think...
I'd just like to add, I'm a non-diabetic also. So that is a more advantage to me also.
Yes.
Better.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gargi.
All the best. So anyway, thank you so much. I hope...
Sorry, sir, to stop. There's just one question. That after brushing at night, sometimes I feel my low sugar. So I'm often asked this question. Yes, I agree. ये हो सकता है, and I do not advise you to keep brushing. What you can do is, if you take anything sweet, just rinse your mouth. Make sure you rinse well so that there's no sugar left in your mouth, and that should be good enough.
And last question, Subhashji, you said about can implant be done on a blood thinner, Dr. Gargi?
Yes. So there are various protocols for this. What we do is, if the patient is on blood thinner, so earlier protocol was to stop the blood thinner for 2 to 3 days. We don't do that now. We consult the physician, we get an INR done, an international normalized ratio, and we do a prothrombin time. ये दोनों blood test अगर normal range में है, we go ahead with the implant surgery.
These days we don't stop.
No, we don't stop it. No.
And there is a question, I'm 76 years old. Will implant be suitable? It will not just be suitable, it will be most suitable for you at 76.
And I have something to add. So last month I did an implant for my patient who's 91 years old.
Beautiful.
So it was lovely to treat, and she was a very good patient, and a single tooth. She said she had a mobile tooth. She said, I don't want a denture or anything. I want good teeth. So we did an implant and she's doing fine. So yes.
Age is no criteria. Never ask me a question that this is my age, should I do it? I will, even if somebody asks me that I'm 95 and I want to go for a Botox to improve my face skin, I will accompany that person to go and get a Botox. Never stop.
Yes, so as I said, your mouth does not deteriorate because of your age. It deteriorates due to various other reasons.
That's right. Anyway, thank you so much, Dr. Gargi. Nice of you to spend your time, and I hope कि किसी ने अपने दांतों तले चने नहीं चबाए. वही कहावत है ना कि अपने
दांतों से चने.
लोहे के चने चबाना.
वो तो चने ना चबाइए. Go and look after your teeth from a dentist at the appropriate time.
Yes.
Time is very important for your teeth. So your gums and your teeth, and smile proudly by showing, like Bhamri ji always smiles showing all his teeth. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Dr. Gargi, thank you very much for a very nice talk.
Thank you, Mr.
Very well done.
Very nice talk, Dr. Gargi. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Gargi. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Dr.
you, Dr.
Gargi, very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjan.
Thank you, Dr. Gargi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevalji.
Thank you, Savita ji. Nice to hear you.
हम बताए अक्कल दाढ़ के बारे में तो कुछ बताया ही नहीं.
अक्कल दाढ़ होती ही नहीं कोई, सिर्फ अक्कल ही अक्कल होती है. अक्कल दाढ़
और उसको निकलवा सकते, अक्कल नहीं जाएगी उससे.
मैंने निकला ही अभी एक.
कुछ नहीं होगा मैम.
जिसने अक्कल दाढ़ निकलवाई वो दोबारा अक्लमंद हो गए. Right, sir. Right.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Dr. Gargi. Thank you.